Tired of the endless email chain just to schedule a single meeting? That's where Calendly steps in to rescue your schedule, acting as your personal scheduling assistant. Let's break down exactly what this powerful tool is used for. At its core, Calendly automates appointment booking. Forget manually checking your calendar and sending multiple emails to find a time that works. Calendly connects to your existing calendar, like Google Calendar, Outlook, or iCloud, and shows your real-time availability to others. You create different event types, such as a 30-minute consultation or a 1-hour demo, then share your unique Calendly link. When someone clicks the link, they see only the times you're actually free and can select a slot that works for them. Calendly integrates with tons of other tools, including video conferencing platforms like Zoom and Google Meet, so meeting details are automatically added to calendar invites, making it easy to hop on a call. Businesses use Calendly for everything from sales demos and customer support calls to interviews and internal meetings. It streamlines scheduling, saves time, and improves the overall experience for everyone involved. So, if you're ready to ditch the scheduling headaches and boost your productivity, give Calendly a try.